The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall.
Neighbor must be fucking match staying hard.
Who?
Neighbor.
Yup, this is up by me, y'all. This is not what nobody here expected. This is my view of Dorian from my front door. Look at this. This is Hurricane Dorian. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
I give it right fuck.
No one expected this here. We were supposed to be expecting rain.
And I'm thinking of the beacon.
And this is no way 63 miles per hour wind. This is never the... Can't even leave from in front of my door because the wind gonna blow me. This is crazy, and a car happened to still be on the damn road. Shit is ridiculous. Yeah, I'm safe, cuz I'm good. I'm gonna stay right in my goddamn house. And I get ready to close in the door. I just wanted to show everybody what was misled again with this tropical storm that we were supposed to get. Now is a hurricane. I don't know when the Virgin Islands is going to get these things right. And for those who took it light and didn't put up shutters and didn't move this and didn't move that, they probably done lose everything already. Yes, it is. Yep, Jerry, yes, it is. This is the hurricane. And you know, I'm right here on a corner, so this is what I get in. Look, the car right here coming off the... Why are they out on the road? Why? Look at this shit here, man. The police following behind of them. You're going to see it right now. Look at this car here on the road. Look at this craziness. Look. Police patrolling. It's not pushing it open. That's me leaning on it. But anyway, I'm getting ready to go inside. It's a good thing I cooked. It's too late to see. They better hope they can reach where they live. Look at this other car, look. Look at this other car. Look how slow he gotta drive. Look at the wind. Look. Crazy motherfuckers, boy. But anyway, y'all, I'm closing in. My shutters is up. I'm glad that Donovan put them up, because this kind of wind right here, what we least expected, would blow in your stuff. I already heard that building 25 PMP, the whole roof blew off already. This is the kind of things that would, after we've been through what we've been through in 2017 with Irma Maria, going to put people back in that same state of mind again because you're being misled. But then again, you can't blame nature. This is Mother Nature right here. We're supposed to go St. Croix. It hit St. Thomas instead. This is crazy. Look at this. You got to see the waves of the wind and stuff. This is ridiculous. I'm scared to go any further. I'm getting ready to go in my goddamn house now. Of course, you know we don't have another car getting speeding. Look. Unbelievable. Of course, you know we don't have no current. That went as soon as the wind started. Thanks to WAPA. So for those who are local, be safe, go underneath the bed, go in your closet, go in your bathroom, and just act like it was Maria with them close to 200 miles per hour wind. Just try to be safe, everybody. Try to be safe. Can't believe vehicles on the road. Look at this. The wind is coming from the east. It's the east, right? It's coming from the east, but you can't tell if it's coming from the east, north, or the east, whatever, south or whatever, because the wind from what you're looking at is all over the place. Crazy. So I hope this move quick. Move through here really quick, and Miami, get ready, because you know once it leaves St. Thomas, is coming up the coast. Florida, get ready. Let's hope it can break up before it reaches to you guys.
Viewers and subscribers, what we just saw a while ago is Hurricane Dorian hit the British Virgin Islands. Yeah, you see me? Right about now, it is said that it's heading towards Florida and it could reach to category 4. But at the time when it hit the British Virgin Island, they said that it was going to be a tropical depression, I would want to call it, a tropical depression, and instead, I mean, then it turned into a category 1, right? You see it? So it's said that a lot of people have been misinformed with what was going to happen due to this little weather condition. You see me? It was sounding like a little weather condition, said that they might expect rain and all these things, but instead, them get a whole lot of wind, right? A whole lot of wind. Viewers and subscribers, me personally can tell you what misleading information do to you. You see me? And if you notice in the video, you notice that people are drive them cars same way because of the information where them get, or maybe, you see me, because some people really stubborn enough, viewers and subscribers. I remember during the event of a hurricane one time, people were still in bars drinking, right? Then they go home, go do anything at all, you know. And the hurricane can catch them in at the bar, still drinking, drunk in the bar. You get what I'm saying to your viewers and subscribers? So a lot of people really and truly don't pay attention to warning signs. So I can say that it's because of the warning, it's because of misleading information why some of the cars they might still be on the road, because some people just not pay attention to warning sign. But however, some of the people them seems to have get information that it's only a tropical depression, right? And it end up turning into a category 1 right on them. Well, that is a thing now. Some of the time you can blame the meteorologist for the information what they give, because sometimes weather condition just change very fast. You know, them can they right here so 1 minute and them see one thing, and by the time within an hour it change into something else. You see me? I mean, it's Mother Nature. You can't predict what Mother Nature gonna do. You see? But anyways, it passed through the island. It do quite a few damage, to be honest, but not drastic damages. You see what I said to you? Yeah, that's what we learned so far. I don't know if any more information and so forth towards this, but that is what we learned so far. So people, my warning to know is that don't take any form of weather condition slight or lightly, because you don't know when it can make a big sudden change, like whoops, and turn into something more than what it has been announced on television or on the radio said that it's going to be. Alright, because this is just an example right about now, showing of a lady showing what's going on from where she live in the islands. So I say, for those who in certain islands hearing about Dorian and them think it's going to come their way, no, I just tell you where them say it might go, and it said that it's expected to head for Florida, might turn into a category 4. And really and truly now, I'm going to tell you something about hurricane too. Hurricane can be very unpredictable some of the time. Some of the time a hurricane will go one way and swing and come back the other. It's said that it happened with the one that is known as Hurricane Gilbert, and that's a long time ago, believe me, viewers and subscribers. So always make sure you're prepared, batten down, check on the window, check your zinc roof if that you don't have, check anything, make sure you're prepared, have your tin food. Don't take any form of storm slight, because you might be surprised that the storm come your way and it says a tropical storm and it sits right there and turn into a hurricane in no time. Be prepared. But anyways, People, me have to keep it posted. So if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.